Matthew 11 verse 28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. A spirit-filled life does not guarantee a trouble-free earthly life. What God does promise is that He will support you through these trials, and He will not give you more than you can bear. If your day was especially hectic or exhausting, this verse reminds you that Jesus is helping you, even though you might not realize it. Joshua 1 verse 9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Whether they are large or small concerns, worry keeps you from getting a good night's sleep. Remember that God is always with you and you are never truly alone. Repeating this verse slowly over and over to yourself as you drift off keeps your thoughts on Christ and off of your problems. (1 Corinthians 10 verse 31). So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. Are you someone who likes to plan their day the night before? As you mentally go through the activities planned for tomorrow, think about how you can show God's glory to others. The communal spirit and close-knit family atmosphere at Park Regency Loveland give you plenty of opportunities to share joy and happiness. Philippians 4 verses 13. I can do all this through Him who gives me strength. Perhaps you know that tomorrow will be a stressful day or one filled with physical struggles. Go to sleep with the words of this verse running through your mind so you can face the future with confidence. Knowing that Jesus is behind you every step of the way eases your burden. James 1 verses 17. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows. Maybe you just experienced an incredible day in Loveland, Colorado. You participated in an interesting outing, won a card club or met a new friend. Don't forget to thank the Lord for the blessings in your life, including your senior living community. His love surrounds you at all times, and He wants what is best for His children.